set the tent up. Yeah, press up. Do a little dance for Daddy, huh? That's it. Let's dance. You gonna do a dance? That's it. Do your dance.
You dance?
Do dance for Daddy. Oh, you giving him a kiss? Did you give him a kiss? Let's see dance.
Nice dancing.
Nice dancing.
It's December the 21st, 2012, and we're just home for the holidays, back from Australia.
Yeah, we're getting your tent ready, aren't we? Oh boy. Here we go. Oops, I think we need another pillow there, don't we, huh? Have to put just one more pillow up there. There we are. You gonna go through? You gonna go through your tent? Let's go down here. Go through your tent. That a girl coming out the other end there, Daddy.
Wow.
Oh boy, come see Grandma. Come see Grandma. Hey, you can come through your tent. Come on. Gentle now.